How to claim Amazon Prime student discount. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to get the student discount from Amazon Prime, these are the methods you can follow up. So for that, you can head over to browser and type in Amazon Prime student and head over to the Amazon website, the official one. Once you are there, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So in order to get the Amazon Prime student discount, all you need to do is go ahead and go to Prime student sign up page. So you can tap on Prime student sign up and you need to go on with the verification process. So you need to be 18 to 24 years old and a student. So you need to verify your age and verify with your student status as well. You can do both of the methods that is available. And for now, you can start with a 6-month trial for $0. Once that is done, once you're satisfied with everything, you can go ahead and auto renew at $7.49 per month after the trial, and also cancel anytime. So 6-month trial courtesy of Grubhub for new members only. If you're a new member, it is the offer you can grab right now if you're a student. So that is how you get Amazon Prime student discount for now. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.